discerning drivers will appreciate the 2013 Ford Edge. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include cruise control, leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, and power seats. Premium sound drives 12 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.